If you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kayla back with another freaking video. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because you're gonna love it here anyway. We do all things nursing, fashion, and lifestyle around here. So yes, just join the girl gang because we be lit around here. Today's video is gonna be a vacation vlog. Today I leave to go to Costa Rica, so that's what this vlog is gonna be about. Super excited. Let's get it started. Right now I'm about to just go through everything and make sure that I got everything packed, which I already do. I have a checklist, but I'm just going to get my charger and stuff from the car and my camera mount because I'm not about to be holding this camera this whole time. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all that I'm coming back from my test. I just took a test because, you know, since we're in nursing school, we always have a test or something to do before something fun that we're doing. So I just took my HESI for behavioral health, and your girl made a 99.99. Yes, you heard it right, a 99.99. Period. And a 1289 conversion score. Well, it's a 1289 conversion score of a 99.99. So super happy, and I'll talk to y'all in a second. Okay y'all, so my mom's parking the car right now and we just got our luggage out because she's gonna back in. Oh, never mind, she got it. Anyways, yeah, we just got here. We're in the parking spot. The parking people who are gonna pick us up and take us are right over there. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all once we get on the bus. Okay y'all, so we just checked our bags. I'm about to go drop them off and then we're okay yeah. Okay yeah, we just dropped off our bags. Now we're about to go through TSA security. So. Alright, so we made it through what's it called? Security. Now, of course, you gotta get redressed. And then we're gonna get something to eat. So. Okay, give me. Okay, y'all, so we decided to eat at this little barbecue spot. So I'm about to order my plate order. I had to take it off and do it again. That's good. You haven't even tried it. Oh yeah, I got chips in the meat. Okay. Keisha, are you ready? Yes, ma'am. Alright y'all, so we just got our bags. Now we're about to go get our ride or whatever. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute so we can figure it out. Okay, good morning y'all. It is Thursday and I'm here at breakfast. My mom went to go get us something to drink, but I didn't come back on camera yesterday just because like I was trying to get acclimated, and whenever I'm in new areas I do not like the environment, so I was just trying to, you know, get used to my environment so that I can come back on camera. We're at breakfast right now. It's like a buffet. So I got like French toast.
Yeah, one is pineapple, one is orange. I mean, I don't think it's orange. I think it's more like tang. But I need to find out how to get some coffee.
We want to eat first because it's getting cold. Okay.
Is it okay? Yeah, it was fine. You might be able to slide either way.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Remember, we have the sunset cruises available for today.
Okay.
We're actually taking the sunset. Yeah.
Today's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Are you back? Because too much going on now. Okay.
All right, y'all. So we're walking the resort right now, just trying to get acclimated and see. Because last night we didn't get to see, but it looks so beautiful. And Fonda decided to join us. She back there.
And because I put on Wi-Fi.
Let me show y'all. It looks so beautiful. They're over there cleaning up, but just look.
That tree is.
And then back there, what?
That tree.
What tree?
That one.
What about it?
I said it's cool to me. I guess because the way it's just got the branches.
Out there is the beach. Later we're doing a sunset boat tour. I want to go over there. Y'all know me. I like adventure stuff. So I'm always trying to. We're about to walk on the beach and I'll come back on a little bit. So we walked all the way from way over there all the way over here. So we found this little like mountain. Super cute. And later, like I said, we're doing the boat tour. So we're gonna be out there. All right, y'all ready to walk back?
Yeah. Did you hear us talking?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah. So we're about to walk across this little water right here. It's super freaking deep. Oh. 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 Y'all, this hurts my feet. This water is strong and the rocks is sharp. I'm about to put my shoes on as soon as I get out this water. Hello. Okay. All right, y'all. We got an espresso martini. What you got?
Pineapple. No. Pina colada.
I was about to say, no, you didn't.
Pina colada. I hate that they don't have no rum.
That's all it's strong. Huh?
I hate that they didn't have no rum.
Oh,
in
what's
the
the other thing? What's the problem?
I think it's a bourbon. I think I'm gonna come back over here and get there. I had those shops was kind of expensive. Like when you go down.
All right, y'all. So we're about to change so we can get ready for the boat ride because we're going on a boat at 12:30. So this is how it's looking out here. Where? Right there. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so we're changing right now to get ready for the boat tour and just to go shopping real quick. I'm wearing this swimsuit, super cute. It's from Icon Swim. A little high-waisted brown mermaid. I know that's my favorite color. And I got this white cover up from Pretty Little Thing, I think. So yeah, it's the fit. Super cute. I'm a little bloated right now, but still cute. Let's see.
Oh, that's super cute. Thank you.
Let's put on some lip liner. It's on.
Oh, I was about to say you like Sharon going fully dressed.
No, look at my baby suit right here.
Oh, your face is the same color as your dress. You should have just kept the dress on.
No, girl, put the shorts on. That was just a throw on.
Try this and see if it's gonna be my new go-to drink.
Drink number 3. Hold on.
What is it that you got?
We all got the same thing?
Same thing.
Okay, so of course, I forgot my phone. So I had to go grab it. Okay, guys, so we're about to get on the boat.
I'm gonna need them to come in a little closer.
Over
You can't wait
there.
in the water? Maybe that's what the little boat's for, to bring your ass on the big boat.
Oh,
What little boat?
The little blue boat. Over there. And then
So that boat right there is coming to get us. How you feel about the boat?
Better, because I was not swimming out there.
No, for real.
Yeah. Point right there. All right. Okay. Let me take. We're going. Give me 1 minute. Okay.
Close enough to her so I know she could hear. System thumping, party jumping. I said loud and clear. All a nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. She can get to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off, pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it in a little bit. And you got me feeling right, you heard me. My mama gone, you can spend the night, you heard me. I ain't playing, I'm trying to fuck the night, you heard me. Clothes off, face down, ass up, come on.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I'd never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's so wide. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's so wide. One time, I need to tell you. I need to.
Okay, yeah, we just made it back to the room. I'm about to shower and wash my hair, and we're to get ready for dinner, and then we're gonna go to the club tonight. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear, but honestly I'm gonna figure it out once I get out the shower because I feel disgusting. So I'll talk to y'all in a second. Hey y'all, it's a little blurry because it's humid, but we're about to go eat dinner. I ended up wearing this top with some shorts, paisley shorts. I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get there because it's super blurry.
The lamb chop's so good.
Y'all better come up here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
That pesto.
So what was y'all's favorite part about the boat?
I enjoyed the ride going. I enjoyed the getting off. Only thing I didn't really enjoy was that ride back.
Oh, you was asleep?
Yeah, my favorite part was probably going and coming back. I didn't really like the snorkeling. You didn't like the snorkeling?
No, they could have kept that.
Let me start by saying sorry. Some days I take your time for granted. You could be the star in my universe if I just took time to plan it. Told me secrets you ain't wanna. Trust is big for you. That's why I'm keeping.
Hey y'all, we ended up falling asleep, almost missing the club. Let me go over. We ended up falling asleep and almost missing the club. Yeah, it was a good day. And so we woke up really late and then went to the club. It wasn't even late. It was honestly super boring. So maybe tomorrow, but this was my outfit. Let me fix it so y'all can see how it was supposed to look. So this was the fit. Super cute. I'm gonna rewear this probably with my trip to Mexico. That way I could take another picture. But this was cute because I didn't get no picture. So yeah, I'm about to change. I'm back into my pajamas, wash my face, and I'm about to go to sleep because I'm tired. then I can wake up early in the morning. Good morning, friends. We just got dressed. It's like 7, almost 8. We're about to go to breakfast, but first I want to take my picture, and then I'm gonna come back and change into some like bathing suit, so that way we can go to the pool afterwards. I wanted to show y'all our balcony. Is it getting foggy up here? There, but it's, y'all can see my pimple, but whatever. View, super cute. I think that's the other resort over there, if I'm not mistaken. But this is our view. Super cute, super plain, but it's very quiet. I'd rather this than be by the beach or the pool, because then it'll be super, super loud. But honestly, I may take my pictures right here. I just had to show y'all, this is the view of the ocean over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. There. Super cute. But I'm about to take my pictures, so I'm gonna talk to you in a second. So the pictures came out good, but they weren't the best. So I'm gonna retake them in hopes that I can get a good picture. But right now we're about to go eat breakfast, and then we're gonna come back and change so we can go to the pool. So yeah.
I got you some rice and beans early this morning.
Okay, yeah, so we just came back up to change into our swimsuits. This is the one I'm wearing. My orange earrings, top from Shein, this from Shein, this from Icon Swim though. Super cute. So, let's go read my book, and maybe I'll do a little homework, maybe not. We just walked around the other resort because it's like 2 back to back. So, yes. No, that's for my YouTube. Hey y'all, so we just got our lunch. We got some corn, fries, chicken, chips, and pico. They had some other stuff too, but I didn't want all that. I'm still hungry from breakfast. Is it good? Okay. Oh, and they had sangria. That's why. Where's Felipe? Is the fries hot? They alright. They keep disappointing me with this heat. Yes, it's so good. It's so good. Go get one, girl. And it has like fruit. It got like fruit and stuff in it. It's good. Yeah.
I used to think about how you would act when a nigga got money. Now you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Oh, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me. I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me. Say nothing, you keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go, I gotta tell you where to run from me. Give hope to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, friends, fast food, and some fun with you. Cause I'm on it. And we like, bitch, with that own shit, you know.
Hey guys, good morning. It's our last day on the resort. Today is Saturday. It's like 8 a.m. We're pretty much just getting dressed, packing all of our stuff. We're gonna go to breakfast. That way by the time, when it's time for us to leave, we'll already be ready. Hair stayed up. I had such an amazing time. I had a good trip. This was a much needed, very much chill trip. I'm gonna go inside because it's gonna keep blurring up since it's so foggy. What?
Yeah. And then you ain't got no tattoos.
Who don't got no tattoos? She's worth more.
Like, Ruby, throw me a good jewelry.
So I should have been videoing.
21, can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you
do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a die. That's how you get shot. IDM advantage.
No, you don't have to. I didn't get
Finally on the bus to go back home. Yeah. Just loaded my stuff up. Hey y'all, so we just were at the airport. We're waiting to board now. I look so crusty, but we're here just waiting. So we're ready to get back home. So get ready to get on this plane and take a nap. I have literally no lashes left. Look at this, y'all. Okay guys, so I'm about to get on the tarmac to get on my flight.
Hello everyone, welcome to United.
That's not yours, huh? Hey y'all, it's Sunday. It's the next day. I had a crazy night because why did I realize that I had the wrong luggage? Yes, I took somebody else's luggage on accident. It was so crazy. I had to call the airlines at like 12 a.m. and I had to call them and tell them. I realized that I had somebody else's luggage, which was crazy. I felt so bad. I was freaking out because I was scared somebody took my luggage. But they didn't. So this morning at like 7:30, I went and returned the luggage and I got mine. I still have to unpack and everything like that. But actually, I'm tired, so I'm about to take a nap. It's 12. Yeah, it's right at 12. So I'm about to take a nap and then I'm going to unpack. But I just wanted to end this vlog here. I want to say thank y'all so much for watching this video and coming on vacation with me. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I didn't talk too much from what I remember, but it was a lot of like vlogging and showing y'all stuff. So I really hope that y'all liked it. It was an amazing trip. Like, I definitely recommend it, especially if you want something like more chill and like peaceful, not like turn up, you know. So I definitely recommend Costa Rica. It was amazing. I had a great time. And yeah, I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see ya in the next vlog, girls.